3 dog breeds you don't want to mess around with. Number 3 is by far the most dangerous. Pit Bull Terrier. Pit bulls are strong and muscular dogs with a bad reputation due to incidents of aggression and attacks. However, it's crucial to note that many well-socialized pit bulls are friendly and affectionate. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are known for their protective instincts and can be very loyal to their families. However, they can be aloof with strangers and require consistent training and socialization. Dogo Argentino. Dogo Argentinos are large, muscular dogs originally bred for big game hunting. They are powerful and can be aggressive if not properly trained and socialized. Now that you know these dog breeds, make sure to follow me for more such videos.